So again, I want to introduce you our newly developed rAVe AI camera for kids. Here, for example, when the children are exploring the world, bump into something they don't understand, so they can take a photo from it. For example, like this flower, I take a photo of it, but they doesn't know the name of the flower. You can just ask these machines. Hello, can you tell me the flower's name and where does it grow? Okay, when they finish, analyze, you can come up with the flower's name and the details with the vocal. So in this way, the children can learn much better and more positive in their early learnings, aged from 3 years old to 12 years old. And also, this flower, we can also make some other transformation of the photo in different style. Like this, change it to the comic style photo. Yeah, like this. And also,
Applying magic. Applying magic. Don't go anywhere.
yeah, something like this. It's a very interesting machines. Keep up with us and remember our brand name's rAVe, and this is our social media accounts. Follow us anytime, and if you have any question, just contact us freely. Thank you.